So alright, welcome to the all-new Opel Grandland. It's based on the same platform as the third generation Peugeot 3008/5008, and it's impressively roomy here. So yeah, we have like really nice ambient lighting here, even on the roof. We also have this one-touch rear electric windows. Usually it's like you have to keep pressing the button to roll the windows down. Then we have some pockets for both rear passengers, and I also recently discovered that we have some upper pockets nicely hidden behind those zippers, the isofix points. Better than average armrest with a tablet/phone holder. The cup holders aren't that deep, but I guess they will get the job done. And we also have some ventilation outlets. No third climate zone, but some ventilation outlets are better than nothing. And yeah, I just discovered that we also have some USB outlets. Alright, let's check out the cargo area. This one also has the package, which consists the electric tailgate, and it's also, again, for this class, quite roomy. We're talking about 610 liters here, if I'm not mistaken. One light there. We have 40, 20, 40 folding rear seats, a strap here, and the spare tire is optional. And really cool is the fact that there's those hooks, so you don't have to hold the floor of the cargo area up by yourself. Quite convenient. Start it up. Yeah, and it also turns out it's equipped with really nice ambient/mood lighting here. You have some dual level lighting here, some contrast, also on the roof area and on the doors. Super cozy. And my favorite part, let me turn this light on. I really love the fact that the ventilation outlets are integrated on the door, just like some old BMWs like E39, E34. Alright, let's get moving then. Let's check out the acceleration in the dark. Maybe it's better than in the daytime. We'll see. Put it to the sport mode and hit it. Yeah, like really like comfortable, just like gradual. Yeah, it's not meant for hard accelerations, but yeah, at least the engine is nicely isolated, and the EDCT gearbox is also handling it perfectly, I should say. There is some kind of small kind of mechanical feeling while shifting the gears while you're on it. In city driving you don't feel a thing, but when you push it you feel like something, and it's meant by, and I say it because I mean it as a compliment, and like this mechanical interaction. The steering is quite slow, not that slow, but compared to the cars I have experienced lately, the rack is not that quick. It's more on the comfy side. Suspension is nice, decent for the class, but yeah, overall it's meant for like city driving, not for curvy roads. But yeah, it gets its job done. Nothing bad, but definitely not something special. To say it again, I really love the sound of this 3-cylinder, and it's not annoying at all. Despite its 1.2 liter capacity, the electric stuff helps it along really well, so it feels like a 2 liter. Yeah, that's about right. So the wheel noise is very well insulated, but there are some wind noise. But yeah, I can say that it's a quiet car overall. For this price point, it's a really quiet car. And yeah, at this point I can comfortably say that those seats are really nice. Yeah, I think they're even better than in my old 2013 Volvo S60. The Volvo seats are maybe too soft. These are like firm, so they like support this better. So yeah, these streets are in pretty rough condition. Perfect for checking out the suspension. There's like no rattles, no suspicious noise. Yeah, it seems that the suspension parts are nicely isolated.